So, how does the Huawei P20 Pro compare to a DSLR? Well, today's the day. We're gonna find out. This beautiful phone, photographer's dream. We're gonna find out exactly how good this phone really is. Okay, so I'm going to be comparing the Huawei P20 Pro to my Pro Pentax K-3 DSLR. I have the camera mounted right on top, or sorry, the phone mounted right on top. So field of view, everything should be the same. I want to keep it as unbiased as possible. And I have a 1770 lens mounted to the camera, which actually matches the focal length of the triple lens here on the P20 Pro. And well, let's go. So on the surface, it looks like the Huawei P20 Pro did a pretty good job until you actually see the DSLR's photo right beside it, and you'll notice that the camera on the Huawei P20 Pro crushes the blacks and just flat out does not have the dynamic range that a real camera actually has. For a phone, it's great. Will it replace your camera? No, not even close. There's absolutely no comparison. And that's pretty much it, really. A lot of times it's hard to really tell the difference until you put photos side by side. I'm not knocking the Huawei P20 Pro. For a phone, the camera is brilliant, but it will never replace a DSLR. And that's it. And there you have it.